لكن تقول أقل شيء أنت ممكن
If this callous attack is found to be a deliberate targeting of humanitarians, it would amount to a war crime. I call for an immediate, impartial and independent investigation into this deadly incident. The perpetrators should know that they will one day be held accountable for violations of international humanitarian and human rights law.
Today, the Red Cross and Red Crescent is mourning. In solidarity with Syrian Arab Red Crescent, we are appealing to the whole world to ensure the protection of humanitarian aid workers and volunteers. We are not part of this conflict. We are part of humanity. Syria is one of the most dangerous conflicts for humanitarian workers in the world. In the past 6 years, 54 staff and volunteers of SARC lost their life while carrying life-saving duty.